Let's explore on how to transfer money from Visa gift card to PayPal. Let's begin. Now, if you have a prepaid gift card with a Visa logo, linking it to a PayPal is a breeze with its easy-to-follow guide. Now, it's not just Visa cards. Gift cards featuring American Express, MasterCard, or Discover logos work too because they function just like a regular debit or credit cards in PayPal. Whether you're shopping online or in-store, connecting your prepaid gift card to PayPal is very easy. Now, say for example, you have one of these Visa gift cards or e-gift cards right here. Let's get a look for the maybe Thanks angled gift card right here. Say for example, this is the card that you wanted to link to your PayPal. Now, you need to get ready for the numbers right here. Of course, the account number or any numbers that you would like to, or you would connect that later to your PayPal account. Now be ready with all of the information, and then you need to go to your PayPal account. And from here, you need to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in PayPal, you might want to click the sign up button, wherein you can choose a personal account, a business account, so that you can link your Visa gift card, and just click on next and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once you are on your PayPal account, if you want to use a prepaid gift card with PayPal, it's easy. And from here, all you're going to do is click on the wallet section, click on it, or as you can see, you have a notification here that says you link your credit card. You might want to click on that. But for now, click on the wallet section because it would direct us to, when we click on wallet, now from here, as you can see, you can link a new card, which is going to be your Visa gift card. And all you're going to do is just follow these steps popping on your screen, all right, and enter your Visa gift card details. That's why it's important that we have all the information earlier from the Visa gift card that we have. Say, for example, this card, be ready with all the information. And then now all you're going to do is click on the link a card or bank, and obviously, you have two options, which is going to be your link a credit card, which is the Visa gift card. Click on it. And from here, just put the Visa card number, Visa gift card number, and then you can select the card type, which is going to be your Visa, the expiration date, and of course, the security code. All right. Just put all the details, and just after that, click on the link a card button, which is this option right here. When you click on it, and then follow the on-screen instructions, and you're good to go. Now, if by any chance you are having problems connecting your Visa gift card to your PayPal, you might want to reach the customer help center, specifically for the Visa gift card right here. And all I'm going to do is just contact these numbers, right? And also, you might want to click on the start chat here. Just provide your full legal name, email, and then your situation. Now, you could do the same thing with your PayPal if you have any questions or concerns. Say, for example, you're having problems transferring money from your Visa gift card to your PayPal account. You might want to go here at the help center. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.